Hi everyone! Welcome to the Joke Hub channel. Daddy is mowing the lawn when his little son comes running out of the house, calling to him.
Daddy, what's sex?
Asks the boy. For a moment, Dad is dumbstruck, but then decides that if his son has asked the question, then he must do his best to answer it. For the next few minutes, Dad talks about the birds and the bees, then human relationships, love, the makeout act, having babies. In fact, he does a pretty good job of covering every aspect. Eventually, he comes to a stop when he sees how oddly his son is looking at him. Why did you want to know? He asks.
Well, Mommy said to come out and tell you that dinner would be ready in 2 seconds.